Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sonam and today I have the Jewel Grabox to unbox and review in this video. As you all know, it's priced at rupees 439 plus 60 for shipping. That is 499 including shipping, and it contains products worth 1570 rupees this month. So without any further ado, let's get started.
Please click the red subscribe button and the tiny little bell button right next to it so that you don't miss any of my videos.
This is how the package has reached me. The box is bubble wrapped. We have a white outer cover, and this is how the classic grab box looks like. And here are all their social media handles and their website address as well. Once we open, we have a card that says congratulations on your Jewel Grabox. This is how everything has come inside the box. So the first piece of jewelry which I absolutely love is this set of Kundan earrings and Kundan Mang Tika. So this is how the finishing is. It has beautiful finishing. I love the pattern and it looks so pretty and gorgeous, guys. I love that it's in white and black combination, so definitely I can pair it with many of my outfits. But you guys might receive some other color combination, but I think this is absolutely gorgeous and one of the star products in the July edition for sure. Then the next statement piece is this 3-layer necklace. Just look at that amazing finishing. I just love this roasted gold finish. And all the 3 layers have very good design, kind of like an antique design, and it looks very beautiful. And the last layer has all these fringes as well, so it looks very pretty. I surely like this one a lot. And then the last piece of necklace is this one, which looks very colorful and vibrant. It is kind of like a handmade piece of necklace. I've seen this kind of handmade jewelry like in commercial street and all. I never inquired for the price, but this looks good quality. I don't think this is going to get rusted very soon or anything, and it definitely looks very stylish. It has a very Egyptian kind of vibe to it. Not only this is boho and statementy, it is very stylish. I love that part about it. So definitely something that I did like. Now moving forward to the earrings. This one here is a very nice dusted golden finish earrings. And this one I feel matches a lot with this statement necklace as well. Although I would not wear a long earring like this, I'll just wear some rusted gold finish studs along with this one. But these two kind of go with each other. This is again a statement earring and a very good design as well. This is something that you can wear with both ethnic and western dresses because it's kind of Indo-Western. Then we have a beautiful tassel earring here which has a solitaire stone, a pearl, and these grey, white and black combination tassels. This is like a woolen tassel, so definitely a trendy pattern. Tassels are very much in trend nowadays. Then we have a beautiful pair of earrings. Actually, these two petals I have to turn them, but apart from that, I love this one. It is made up of cloth and it's a long dangler. I love long danglers which are simple like these, and the grey floral pattern might be in a different color for you guys, but this is going to be the pattern for all of you, and I definitely love the pattern. One of the floral patterns, maybe I'll just cut off these two petals so that they can all hang downwards, but apart from that I really like it. And then we have a beautiful stud here. It is a bow pattern in a combination of golden and black, and in the middle it does not have a stone, which is actually good in a way because the stone will not fall off and it's not gonna get ruined very soon. So that way I did like it, and it's definitely something that I love wearing, like simple designs which you can wear on day-to-day basis casually with jeans, t-shirts, kurtis, salwar suits, whatever. So these kind of patterns I do like a lot, so I'm definitely happy with this. And then again we have something similar, a very casual kind of stud set. So this is a set of 3. I have received a set of 3 similar to this which was in a metallic finish, but these are pearls. So either you can wear these together if you have multiple piercings, or you can wear them individually. They're very simple and like for day-to-day use only. So yeah, I did like them. And finally here we have a nose pin which is in a peacock pattern. It does not have the best finishing, but it's very cute. The pattern is good, so definitely something that you can wear casually on ethnic days So yeah, this is also good. Nose pins are also kind of like in trend nowadays, so you can definitely have a couple of them. Now let's move on to the info details, the pricing details. So the elegant earrings are for 250, which I believe are these, the golden ones. Then Mang Tika set is for 400, the first set we saw, this one. Traditional neck piece for 200, set of studs for 20, mini bow earrings for 60, tassel earrings for 120, quirky nose pin for 90, multi-layer neck piece for 250, and sleek floral earrings for 180 rupees. So the total worth is mentioned as 1570, and as you all know, the box is priced at rupees 499 including shipping. So definitely savings wise, it's a great deal. But personally, I did like a few jewelry pieces a lot. And this 3-layer necklace, even though statementy, it is something that I liked. I usually don't like chunky pieces, but this design is very rustic and antique looking kind of design, so I liked it. I love this stud as well. This is definitely something that is perfect for my style quotient. This earring and this is also good. So I did like quite a few pieces, and this one is also a very beautiful piece for like weddings and parties when you're totally getting ready in a nice ethnic suit or sari or lehenga. This is a perfect jewelry piece to go for. So overall, it's a good box. If any of you guys are interested in getting this box, then all details are mentioned in the description box below. So make sure you check it out. You will also find the links to the giveaways running on my channel. So if you haven't already, please do check it out and participate. The rules are pretty simple. All you need to do is subscribe to my channel and be active here. And you can win some amazing gift hampers. So don't miss your chance. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, then please don't forget to give this video a like and some love in the comment section below. And if you haven't already, then please do subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate it. So that's all for today. I'll see you again next time. Till then, take care. Bye.